What's up guys, Super Geek here. OnePlus has released its OnePlus 10 in China, and this smartphone comes with a lot of new changes to the OnePlus smartphone lineup. OnePlus smartphones looked exactly the same for a couple of previous iterations, but that finally has been changed. OnePlus gave its OnePlus 10 a new refreshed look with a new design of camera bump at the back, which looks like it's been inspired from Samsung Galaxy S21. It's been squared off instead of a rectangle that you get on S21. Other than the design, the camera is also new. You get a camera setup co-developed by Hasselblad, so it may change OnePlus's mediocre camera image in the market. The smartphone is coming to India as well. The date is not confirmed yet, but it's good that it's coming to India. If you already own a OnePlus smartphone, then I think this time you should upgrade to the new OnePlus 10. Because other than the hardware, you're also getting a premium design this time. But if you're not ready for this upgrade yet, then let me tell you a way to get a feeling of owning a OnePlus 10. I'm talking about the stock live wallpapers from OnePlus 10. You can easily install them on your current Android smartphone and show them off to your friends. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So the stock wallpapers from OnePlus 10 has been extracted in the form of APK files, and all you need to do is download these APK files on your phone and install them one by one. Then you may need the Google Wallpaper app to apply these. It's free on Google Play Store, and you can use them to apply any live wallpaper on your Android smartphone. You can also use a custom launcher like Nova Launcher and set these live wallpapers on your smartphone like I'm doing right here. There are 3 wallpapers in this set, and all 3 have their own separate APK files. So if you feel like installing only one of them, then you can skip the other 2 to save your smartphone storage. How cool is that? Now, you can see how these wallpapers look on my Zenfone 5Z. If you own a smartphone with thin bezels around the display, these wallpapers will look even more amazing. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video, hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.